Yeah, I'm ready.
This is how I lost my arm.
Ty, watch out, you're gonna see it in your eyes. Ty, if you throw it, it's coming right back in your face. No, look at the way the wind's blowing. I know you don't understand, but watch. Ooh.
My turn.
No, you don't get a turn. It's fire. We can't touch it. Only Daddy can touch it.
Let's run.
Wait.
Well, that was fun.